If you're a Muslim man or woman and you're experiencing temptations, whether it's to sin, smoking, drinking, to lie, to steal, to have sex, to masturbate, to do whatever it is that you're having temptations with, and you're struggling, you're asking yourself, dang, I really want to do this thing. I really want to be this person. I really want to commit this sin. But at the same time, I don't. So what should I do to help myself? What should I do to help me, not go down that route? Or to help me get out of this funk, help me get out of this loop. And there are a couple things that you can do. Okay. The number one is to pray. When your mind is on God and your mind is not on all the filthy things, all the bad things, all the things that are toxic for you, it makes it easier to not fall for those temptations. It's like when you're constantly thinking about God, kind of like the prayer. When you're praying and you're thinking about God multiple times a day, it makes you not forget. It makes you realize that when you do want to do that small thing, when you do want to go do, that sin, you realize that not only is God watching you, even when you think nobody's going to see you, but you realize that as long as you're thinking about God, it makes you not want to sin. Okay. The second thing you can do is be around other Muslims. Other Muslims are probably not drinking. They're probably not smoking. They're probably not having orgies. They're probably not doing things that would help you sin. So if you're around other Muslims, you go to the nearest mosque or you go find the Muslim community and you're around them, you're going to be around like-minded people. Meaning those people are also going to be doing things that are halal, that are allowed. And they're not going to be sinning 24/7 and let alone be sinning as a group. So it's one of those things where if you're having trouble and you can't be by yourself because all you do is think about it, and you can't, even when you're praying and stuff, you're thinking about it, whatever, go and be around other Muslims. Be around people who get you, people that will support you, people who are like you, think exactly like you. Okay? Number 3, no matter what religion you are, the human body is predictable. Meaning certain things like exercise will help you. It'll make you feel better, it'll make you look better, it'll be healthier for you and help you distract you. Every time that you want to go and play with yourself, every time that you want to go and smoke, every time that you want to go and drink, go and work out. Whether it's at home and you do 1,000,001 push-ups, or you go to the gym and do 1,000,001 squats. Working out not only is healthy for you and beneficial long term, but it's beneficial because it helps you stay distracted. When you feel good, when your body releases those natural chemicals from you doing something good rather than you doing something that's sinful, it makes it easier. It makes it better. So imagine yourself. You're like, oh, I want to watch porn. Oh, I want to drink beer. Oh, I want to smoke weed. Oh, I want to eat pork. But then you go and you do a workout. Not only are you distracted with the fact that, you look better, you feel better, and, you think about how you're healthier. But it's one of those things, your body's going to release those chemicals that make you feel like that. So you're going to feel happier whether you want to or not. You're going to feel, better whether you want to or not. You're going to feel good after whether you want to or not. And at the end of the day, even if you didn't mean to go work out and be healthy, you did yourself that favor. So as long as you have that, you have to have that mindset. As long as you have that, as long as I can go to the gym rather than commit that sin. As long as I can go and hang out with other Muslims rather than commit that sin. As long as I can think about God and pray rather than commit that sin, I should be okay. I should be fine. I shouldn't be able to commit that sin. Why? Because those 3 things are going to help me. And if you combine all 3 things, if you think about God when you want to sin, and you go and you work out, and you go and you hang out with like-minded people, you're going to realize, you're going to be like, dang, I haven't smoked in this long. I haven't drank in this long. I haven't had sex in this long. I haven't sinned in this long. I haven't lied in this long. I haven't stolen this long. And you're going to realize that you're doing better. You're going to realize that you're doing better as a person, mentally, physically, and emotionally. So like I said, if you're dealing with temptations, there are things you can do. There are people you can go see. There are mindsets that you can put yourself in. And as long as you do everything besides just let yourself fall into those sins, as long as you do everything besides let yourself fall into that temptation, as long as you let yourself do everything besides be doomed, you will be okay. You will be okay. And like I said, at the end of the day, or in the long run, or in the future, you will thank yourself.